Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are working with Kellogg's to share with you a fun twist on traditional Christmas cookies.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making a Christmas cornflake wreath cookie.
So these are really fun and so cute.
They are adorable.
All right, let's get started. So we've got a pot over here. I'm gonna light this, and we're gonna add in some butter. And we're just going to melt our butter in our pot here. So this is a very similar process to like if you're making Rice Krispie treats, but we're using the cornflakes today instead.
This is a really fun cookie just because it does use something different than Rice Krispies. I like the addition of cornflakes. I like the texture of them.
Yes.
And I love that this recipe doesn't involve the oven at all.
Yes, especially this time of year when you are making so many things in your oven. It is nice to have kind of a no-bake type option.
Yeah.
All right, so our butter is melted. So our next ingredient, we're going to add in a 10.5-ounce bag of miniature marshmallows. And we're just gonna melt these with our butter here. So just coating them all with the butter and melting. Again, very similar to like a traditional Rice Krispie treat recipe. All right, so as you can see, our marshmallows have now melted in with our butter. So next, we are going to add in our...
I can hold the spatula.
Okay, I'm gonna spray the spatula as well.
Okay. Ready for food coloring?
Yes.
Okay, so we're putting about a teaspoon in. Just gonna eyeball it. There we go.
That looks good. So I will mix this up. And we're spraying our spatula. Cooking spray is really your best friend in this recipe because it'll prevent, particularly when we add in the cornflakes, prevent them from sticking. All right, that looks good.
Ready for the cereal?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to turn this off, turn the heat off now as well. All right, so we're going to coat these here.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
What's not to love about marshmallows?
Seriously, yes, especially when the marshmallows are green with the food coloring. So fun. So we're just trying to coat all of our cereal with the marshmallow mixture.
Okay.
All right, so our cereal is coated. So our next step is something that you want to move pretty quickly on while the cereal is still hot. We need to form our wreaths.
Yes.
So this is a good time to call on your friends and family to get them in the kitchen and help form the wreath. So
all hands on deck.
yes. So we're calling in Casey. Casey's going to come in and help us form our wreaths. So I'm going to spray your hands with cooking spray. I'm going to do the same, and then Jenny has a different job.
Yes, so after they're done forming the wreaths, I'm going to put our little red cinnamon candies onto the wreaths, and I have some frosting here to help those candies stick to the wreaths. The frosting I just put into a sandwich bag, and then I snipped off the corner to make it a little easier to control, a little less messy than using a spoon or something.
All right. Okay. So how's your wreath coming?
It's coming along.
I think mine is okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So here's one. Essentially, you just kind of grab a ball and you try to poke a hole in the center.
Yep.
And then Jenny is topping.
Little red candies.
Oh, cute! So fun. Good work, guys.
Teamwork. Yes.
Should we try one?
Yeah.
They're probably not really set yet, so we're just gonna break one up.
Break this one up?
Yeah.
Casey, would you like a piece?
Of course.
Oh. Here, we'll give you the frosting piece
good.
because
Thank
you
you.
came in and helped us out.
Save the day.
Yes.
I love the cornflakes in here. It's very different than like a traditional Rice Krispie.
Yeah, delicious.
Well, get your friends and family in the kitchen and make these this holiday season.
And for more holiday recipe ideas, visit bestfoods.com/seasons.